Surprise, surprise, SBR from none other than...
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Christian County, Kentucky, southeastern Caldwell County, Kentucky, northeastern Trigg County, Kentucky, southeastern Hopkins County, and northwestern Kentucky until 4:30 p.m. At 3:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Princeton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hopkinsville, Princeton, Dawson Springs, Crofton, Cobb, and Hawkins. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 78 and 88. Penny Ryle Parkway between mile markers 12 and 30. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Caldwell, Christian, Hopkins, and Trigg.